Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S professional 13-inch wireless inkjet photo printer. This beast of a printer has been making waves in the photography and printing community, and I'm here to tell you all about its incredible features and how it can take your printing game to the next level. First off, let's talk about the star of the show, the 8-color dye-based ink system. This is where the magic happens, folks. With 8 vibrant colors at its disposal, the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S produces prints that are nothing short of stunning. The level of detail, the depth of color, and the overall quality of the prints are truly exceptional. Whether you're a professional photographer or just a hobbyist, you'll be blown away by the results. And the best part? This printer is capable of producing these high-quality prints consistently, time and time again. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't a high-quality printer like this going to take up a lot of space? Well, think again. The Canon PIXMA PRO-200S has a compact design that's perfect for home offices, studios, or even small apartments. It's surprisingly small, considering the large prints it's capable of producing. This is a huge plus for anyone who wants to create professional quality prints without sacrificing too much space. And let's not forget about the convenience of wireless connectivity. You can print from your phone, tablet, or computer without having to deal with any messy cables. Another feature that really stands out is the borderless printing capability. With the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S, you can print stunning borderless photos from 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches all the way up to 13 inches by 19 inches. This is perfect for creating beautiful, frame-ready prints that will make a statement in any room. And the best part? You don't have to worry about any annoying borders or margins. The printer takes care of all that for you. Whether you're printing out your favorite vacation photos or creating art pieces to sell, the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S has got you covered. But what about speed, you ask? Well, let me tell you, this printer is fast. With the ability to print a bordered A3+ print in just 90 seconds or a bordered 8-inch by 10-inch print in 53 seconds, you'll be able to churn out high-quality prints in no time. This is perfect for photographers who need to meet tight deadlines or for anyone who wants to print out a large number of photos quickly and efficiently. And with the 3.0-inch color LCD monitor, you can easily check ink levels, printer status, and other settings with just a few taps on the screen. So what's the verdict? In my opinion, the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S is an absolute game-changer for anyone who wants to create professional quality prints at home. With its incredible 8-color dye-based ink system, compact design, borderless printing capability, and high-speed printing, this printer has everything you need to take your printing to the next level. Whether you're a photographer, artist, or simply a printing enthusiast, I highly recommend checking out the Canon PIXMA PRO-200S. Find the link in the description